Welcome my dear students in part number 5.3. Part name is Decimal Form of Rational Numbers. Let's learn some examples of how to multiply and divide two decimal fractions in previous class. Multiplication and division of decimal fractions. First we learn multiply by 10 two decimal fractions. Divided by 10 to 35.1. 351 upon 10 into 10. 351.0. Second, 135 upon 100. 135 upon 10. 13.5. 8.445 into 10. 8445 upon 1000 into 10. 8445 upon 100. 84.45. Thus, we see that we can multiply a decimal fraction by 10 by moving the decimal point one place to the right side. 351.0, 13.5 and 84.45. Moving one place right side decimal point. Multiply by 100 two decimal fractions. Here I solve three examples. Multiply by 100. In these all examples, decimal point moving right side of two places 256 upon 1000 into 100. 1.35 into 100. Decimal point is two places moving. Here all examples decimal point moving two places to right side. Multiply by 1000 to decimal fractions. I write three examples. Multiply by 1000. When multiplying by 1000, decimal point is moving right side three places to right side. 1, 2, 3. 6266 upon 1000 into 1000. 30 cut 6266.0. Decimal point moving three places to right. When we did not find three places, we write 0 left side. 4. 2.4 into 1000. Here we did not find three places. We write 2 zeros of left side, right side. 2400. When multiply by 1000, decimal point moving three places of right side. When multiply to 10, 100 and 1000, decimal point move to right side, but when divide by decimal fraction, the action of division versus multiplication is that the decimal point moves the left side. First, we learn divide by 10 decimal fractions. We have learned to divide decimal fraction. First, divided by 10. In these all examples, decimal point moving one place left side. See all these examples. Last example is 14.0 divided by 10, 1.446. Divided by 100 to decimal fractions. I write down 3 examples. Divided by 10, 523 upon 100 into 1 upon 100. Denominator is 10,000. 10,000 4 zeros 0.0533. Decimal point is left side 3 places. 45 upon 10 into 100. 45 upon 1000. Decimal point is 3 places to left side. 256 upon 1000 into 100. 256 upon 1 lakh. Decimal point is 0.00256. Decimal point moving left side 3 places. Next, divide by 1000 to decimal fractions. We have learned to divide decimal fraction divided by 1000. I write one example. 423.3 divided by 1000. Denominator is 10,000. 0.4233. Decimal point is moving left side 3 places. Left side 3 places. I write down 0 left side by 5. 0.0054. 0.0928. Let's learn decimal form of rational numbers. 7 is equal to 7.000. Any number of zeros can be added after the fraction part. I divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Decimal point 4 sevens are 28. Remainder is 2. I take 0. 4 fives are 20. 20 minus 20, remainder is 0. When we have obtained 0 as the remainder, this type of decimal form of rational number is called the terminating decimal form. Terminating म्हणजे खंडित दशांश रूप. In this example, we have obtained 0 as the remainder. This type of decimal form of rational number is called the terminating decimal form. Next example is mixed fraction. Write 2 and 1 upon 5 in decimal form. Mixed fraction converted into fraction. 11.00 divided by 5. 5 twos are 10. Remainder is 1. I write down point to quotient. 5 twos are 10. 2.2 is the quotient. Remainder 0. When remainder is 0, this type of decimal form of rational number is called terminating decimal form. Next example is write the rational number minus 5 upon 8 in decimal point. Here, when rational fraction minus sign, we have without considering the minus symbol and write the symbol to answer after division. 5 divided by 8, 5.000. 5 number is not table of 8, so that we divided by 0. Write down 0 after 5. 0.86 is 48. Remainder is 2. We take 1 0. 8 2 is 16. Remainder is 4. We take another 0. 8 5 is 40 and remainder is 0. Answer is 0.625. We write sign minus 0.625. Here remainder is 0, so that this decimal form called terminating decimal form. Let us see how the decimal form of some rational numbers is different. First example is 5 upon 3. 5 divided by 3, 5.000. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, remainder is 2. I take 0. 6. 3 6 are 18, remainder is 0. I take another 0. 3 6 are 18, remainder is 0. Here 2 digit occurs repeatedly. I stop division. If in a decimal fraction a single digit occurs repeatedly on the right of decimal point, we put a point above it as shown here, 1.6 dot. Call this fraction recurring form and reading 1 point recurring 6. Here a single digit occurs repeatedly on the right side of decimal point. This type of decimal form of rational numbers is called the recurring form. Next example is write the number 2 upon 11 in the decimal form. 2 upon 11. 2 is not number 11 table, so that we divide it by 0. 11 ones are 11, remainder is 9. I take 0, make 90. 11 eights are 88 and 88 subtract from 90, remainder is 2. I take 0, 11 ones are 11, 20, 11 subtract from 20, remainder is 9. I take 0, 11 eights are 88 and remainder is 0. 0 2 0 2 is remainder again and again. So I stop division and answer is 0.1818. 1818 number is repeatedly again and again. 2 upon 11 is equal to 18. If a group of digits occur repeatedly, we show it with a horizontal line above the digits. Next example is find the decimal form of mixed fraction. Find the decimal form of 2 and 1 upon 3. This fraction converted into fraction 7 upon 3. 7 divided by 3, 7.000. When we converted, multiply by integer and addition numerator. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1. Decimal point, write down quotient. I take 0. 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. I take 0. 3 3s are 9. And remainder is 1. 3 3s are 9. One number is occurring repeatedly again and again, so that 2.333. Write the answer 2. Recurring 3. And reading this fraction this fraction is recurring form, and reading 2 and recurring 3. Work out the decimal form of 5 upon 6. 5 divided by 6. 5 number is not in table 6. So first divided by 0. Remainder 5. I take decimal point in the quotient and take 0. 6 8s are 48. Remainder is 2. I take 0. 6 3s are 18. Remainder is 2. Take 0. 6 3s are 18. Here 2 remainder is repeatedly again and again. So I stop division and write down answer 0.83333. But 3 number is again and again. This is recurring decimal form. 0.8 recurring 3. Recurring form, reading 0.8 recurring 3. Terminating decimal form. In this all fractions, division is complete, remainder is 0, so that this numbers is called terminating decimal form. Recurring decimal form. In these fractions, division is not completed. One number and group of number is again and again. Here a single digit or group of digit occur repeatedly of the right side of the decimal point. This fraction called recurring decimal form.